Here we're given a function f of x, and it's an exponential function, and we're asked to sketch it and then sketch two variations of the modulus function. So either both the modulus of f of x and f of the modulus of x. So let's start by sketching this. This looks like it's an exponential that's shifted downwards by 1 unit. So that will have an asymptote of y equals 0. It'll look something like that, and it'll pass through this point here where y equals 1 when x equals 0. But then it's shifted downwards by 1, so it'll be brought down, so it'll pass through the point 0, 0. So this is f of x. So that's your first graph. Now, the question really isn't about this, it's about how to do or how to visualize the modulus function. So the modulus of f of x, when you have the modulus function outside f of x, what you're doing is you're converting all negative values of y to positive values. So this part is unaffected, but this part would be reflected. So if we sketch the original graph like that, then your reflected graph will look something like this. So now this part we can remove, and this will be the modulus of f of x. You notice everything is positive. All the negative values have been reflected. So the modulus function is a reflection upwards on the x-axis. Now, when you have a modulus of x, that means that x, whether it's positive or negative, will be treated as positive. So again, let's sketch our original function. It looks something like this. Now, anything that's negative needs to be deleted, ignored. So we cancel out all this because x is always treated as positive, even when it's negative. So what we do is we reflect the positive part on the y-axis. So you have something like that, but then that is the same on both sides. So it's not exactly symmetrical, but it should be. So these should be the same because we're reflecting this that way. And this is no longer part of the sketch. So when you have the modulus on x, you're reflecting on the y-axis and removing anything that's already there. When the modulus is on f of x, you reflect on the x-axis. I hope you found that helpful.